substance that nourishes our body. It can be solid or liquid. This food, when swallowed, gets digested and thereby nourishes our body. Food contains many kinds of chemical components. In other words, we can say that food is a mixture of all these components. The common examples for food include milk, fruit and vegetables, meat, fish, etc. The word is quite exciting, and everyone will be thinking what have to study in food science. In fact, food science is an exciting field that deals with the deep study of mysteries of food. In food science, we understand the changes that occur in food during preparation. We understand the nutritive value of a food item. Also, we understand the methods for preserving a food item from spoilage. Technology of food and how it differs from food science. This is a subject that we must think. Both food science and food technology are very different. In food technology, we apply all the principles that we are learned through food science. That is, especially during processing and preservation, we use the principle of food science and applies it. What are food additives? These are non-nutritional substances that are added to food in small quantities so as to improve the appearance, color, flavor, texture, and storage properties of a food item. The common examples for food additives include artificial coloring agents, artificial sweeteners, storage improvers, etc. Fermented food is a food that is produced by the action of fermentation. That is, microorganisms such as bacteria or mold act on the carbohydrates and proteins present in food to yield many components, and this results in the formation of pre-digested foods, and such foods are called as fermented foods. Examples for fermented foods include wine, cider, beer, yogurt, etc. The main characteristics of fermented food is that it is highly nutritious. What is food fortification? Food fortification is a process of addition of small amount of nutrients to food. This is to improve the nutritional quality of a food item. Example, iron fortified rice. That is, rice is fortified with iron content so as to improve its nutritional quality. Biofortification. Biofortification is in fact a process to increase the nutritional content of a crop. It can be either done by breeding or done by genetic modification. Through this process, the nutritional content in a crop is increased. Examples include biofortified rice, biofortified wheat, etc. Food chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with composition, structure, and characteristics of a food product. What is food processing? Any method that converts a fresh food to a food product can be termed as food processing. For example, pickles, canned foods, etc. Functional food. What is functional food? These are a type of food, and these food provides health benefits beyond nutrient contribution. That is, if we take these functional food on a regular basis, it will surely enhance our health. For example, oatmeal. Oatmeal contains many kinds of fiber. That is, it's a soluble fiber-rich product, and thereby it increases our health too. Have you heard about food safety and regulation? It's of great concern in food sector. In food safety and regulation, we focus on food sanitation and public health and ensures food safety. The major concern while dealing with food is the spoilage of food, and this has to be prevented. For that, various preservation methods are used. In fact, preservation methods are food processing practices that prevent the growth of microorganisms and thereby the spoilage of a food product. Preservation methods examples include canning, pickling, etc.